Getting a half wig is just so much easier on your hair. It's very low on maintenance, and also it's a great protective style.
XOXO, my love is
Watching Kennedy, Caribbean Queen, Caribbean Queen, beautiful.
Hey my loves, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I just got a new wig from LuvmeHair. It's not my usual typical wigs. This is a half wig that I will be installing from them. Right now their half wigs does come in a Yaki or Kinky texture. So it's either curly or a Yaki texture. Okay, this is what the hair is looking like. Again, it is a Yaki texture, as you guys can see. And she is a half wig. It does have the drawstring in the back, and I love these lately on my wigs. I feel like they hold a lot more snug and tight, and they also just like leave your wig sitting on your head super flat and a lot more snug. So yeah, and on the inside of your wig it does come with some combs, as you guys can see. I believe it has, so it has 2 in the front and 2 on the sides. Per usual with your wig, they do send you a bunch of stuff. Yeah. I recently had a quick weave in, and thank God my hair is already braided. I took the quick weave out, but I still left my braids. I just washed it because I'm like, I have work to do, and yeah, my hair needed to be braided. So the way my hair is braided, I do have like the perimeter out, and then I have like a side part, but I'm just gonna loosen the side part because I need some of this hair right here. Okay, that should be enough out. I'm just gonna braid back this piece right here. Alright you guys, so that is what my braid up is looking like. I'm gonna put on my wig and then we're gonna loosen this. First I'm gonna take this comb right here that's in the center, and I'm going to stick it into my braids. Okay. You could stick the ones in the side also into your braids, which is what I'm doing right now. That is just so it's really secured onto your head. Do it pretty much on the other side. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and tighten the jaw strap. And now I'm going to just go ahead and loosen my leave out.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say?
How natural this is. This forehead is definitely foreheaded, so we're gonna swoop some baby hairs down just to make it not look as big. Okay, just yeah, we're not doing that.
If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it.
This just looks so natural. Probably one of the best half wig I've had till date. I usually love my curly hair for on vacation, so I always have a curly half wig for vacation. I've never really had a straight one that actually matches my hair texture, but this one right here I am obsessed with. Like, you guys, you can't tell me this is not my natural hair. Like, you just cannot. It literally looks like it's growing up out of my scalp, and I love the fact that I can like move it around. And yeah, babes, this is my hair, homie. And although my leave out is a little oily, it still matches the Yaki texture pretty well. I'm not even gonna straighten the rest of the hair because I kind of like how it looks. Like, it just looks pretty natural, so I'm gonna leave it exactly as is. And also what I really love is that I could pin this up into a pony. Let me show you guys, and you're not gonna see any wefts in the back. First of all, that is what the back is looking like. You're not seeing any wefts or anything. So yeah, you guys, as you guys can see, you're able to even pull this hair back into a ponytail. I have a cute little pony going on. Super cute, super easy to do. All you gotta do is short on, pull out some hair in the front and just slick it back, especially if you have like quick errands and you don't want to do too much of your hair. I feel like this is like the perfect wig for that. Like, yeah, it just looks so natural and I am obsessed, literally. Looking from like the top of my head, you're not seeing any tracks. Like, that's what I really love about this. So it's super seamless. It has the jaw strap in the back there for like extra security if you want it tighter. You can always adjust that to however tight you want. You can pull this hair back behind your ears. You can do whatever you do to your natural hair with a wig like this. Getting a half wig is just so much easier on your hair. It's very low on maintenance, and also it's a great protective style. And just like me personally lately, I've been going back to like sew-ins, getting a quick weave. Like recently you guys saw I did get a quick weave, and it was just a lot easier to just wake up and I know all I have to do is like fix my leave out and that was it. So I feel like compared to wearing like actual like lace wigs, half wigs or any other protective style is just so much easier. And I feel like, and I have been noticing, I also have been noticing that the girlies are ditching the wigs and getting sew-ins or quick weaves. Like, that is so much easier. It's such a great protective style, and yeah, it's just so low on maintenance. Also, it's like you really don't have to do anything except for, you know, fixing your leave out when you wake up. That is it. So yeah, I absolutely love this wig right here. I'm obsessed. Like, you cannot tell that this is not my hair, and my makeup just looks so flawless. And also, I did film this makeup look on TikTok, but I feel like I should do an in-depth tutorial for my YouTube babies, because I know you guys prefer the longer tutorials. So what do you guys think? Do you guys want a full detailed look on this makeup? Comment down below, let me know. Let me know how are you feeling this wig right here. Thank you again, LuvmeHair, for sponsoring this video. This is pretty much the hair. I will have it linked down below in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested. If I do have a discount code, that will be listed down below as well. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.
If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there. Tick, tock, tick.